Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to Retired for Life. So today is actually a rare day. Spring so far this year has not been great. It's been non-stop rain, and today we have a break in the rain. A very short break because it's going to start up again later today and then rain for another 4 or 5 days. So what I'm hoping we can do is get out of that rec room for a little bit and go out and have a bit of an adventure. What I want to try to do is get down to Bowmore, our off-grid cabin build site, and just see how things are doing down there. But the snow in the bush is still really deep, and the last time I could see a little ways back in there, we had trees down on the trail. So we're going to put the drone up in the air and see if we can get a bird's eye view of what's going on in that direction.
Home point updated.
All right, here we go. All right, there's Bowmore. Bowmore looks intact. And there's lots of clear space there. What we'll do is have a look around and see how the rest of the place looks. There is still lots of snow out there. There's our fence line along the back of the property. All right, we're getting a high winds warning, so let's get back. Yeah, we're fighting the wind here for sure. All right, that was interesting. Our next step is to actually get out there. It looks like it's possible. Let's go see what we can find out. Well, folks, this is our best way in. And I think if I can dig out this snow that's in this fairly shallow ditch, and we've got a pretty good chance of being able to get back there with the ATV. There's our first tree down, and it's a pretty good size one. So let's get back on the tractor And I'm not going to use the blower. I just have the blower still on there because all our equipment is still back in by Bowmore. The blower is due to come off quite soon, but it gives us that nice bit of extra weight for traction. Well, that got it. We should be able to very easily get in here now. So I think what we'll do is get the ATV and come down, park the ATV here, and then we'll walk back in and get some tools and see what we can do to clear this out of the way. Yeah, that went way better than I thought it would, to tell you the truth. So that's great. All right, let's get our little beast here back home and get the ATV going. All right, folks, so we are back with the ATV. The kubota did a nice job breaking its way through the ice and snow there. And let's have a look at the business end of this tree that came down here. That's not a bad sized tree. There's another one. There's another 2. There's another 3. You know, this doesn't actually look like it's rotten. Anyway, let's get back. We'll walk back to Bowmore and get some tools and see what we can do about this. At least to get this one out of the way. Well, there's the equipment yard. Everything looks good there. And there's Bowmore. Oh yeah. Yeah, just like the drone was telling us. This is good. This is really good. But it is sitting in a big puddle. It's a good thing we've got it up off the ground. We need to do some proper drainage back in here to push this back. I need to properly level this out. All right, let's get some tools. Okay, it's been a few months since we've been back here. Everything looks just fine. Yeah. I think we're going to take the big Husqvarna with us and the machete. Yeah, no holes, no leaks. Everything's in good shape. Let's head for Bowmore. We made it. Well, folks, we made it out to Bowmore, and I'm really happy about that. That's great. We still can't do much down here. Things are just too muddy, so we're not going to be bringing any equipment down, and we're not doing any work on the off-grid cabin as of yet. I really want to get that rec room done. Now that we got nice weather here, I got to push through and get through it and then get on to other projects. But while we're down here, let's take a little walk down the path and we'll check out the stream and have a look at the bridge that we built last year and see how things look there. So it was record snowfalls this past winter and well into the spring. Yeah, there's lots of water over there into our drainage pond. This is relatively dry here, so that's a good sign. Let's get down and have a look and see how the creek is doing. Yeah, water's really coming down. Oh, we have a backup here that we're going to cure right now. So you can see where we've got an old birch tree that has fallen across, blocking our creek here. Yeah, this has got to go one way or the other. Yeah, that's better. Well, I'm glad I found that. So yeah, that has tidied that up. This part of the trail over here that was getting flooded is now going to dry up because we're not going to have water running down there anymore. So my little stihl MS-162 Made very quick work out of that birch that was there. So the ditch that we put in last year down the one side is definitely doing its job. And yeah, the bridge looks good. So this is where I'll have to do some work here as to how to drain things off better from the water that's coming down the hill here. So, yeah, Bowmore looks pretty good. Let's get back and have a sit down for a bit of a rest there. Well, folks, it sure is good to be out here. Yeah, like I say, it's too muddy down here yet to do too much work. And we do really need to get the work done in the rec room. I need to get that finished. But still, been cooped up in there for too long. And now that I know that we can get down here, we can escape every once in a while. So yeah, the Husqvarna 455 Rancher made very short work of that tree out there. I got 3, looks like, fairly decent logs out of it, so that's pretty good. We'll put those up on the log bunk a little later on. And I'm really happy with how the trail looks. You know, we had that one blockage there at the pipe that ran under the stream, which the MS-162 made very quick work of, and we got that out of the way and got water flowing again. But I think that's going to be it for today's video. It's time to get back to work, I'm afraid. The rain is coming. Things are clouding over already, and we've got another 4 days of rain on the way. That's fine. That's inside work. We'll get that much farther along on the rec room. All right, folks. Thanks very much for coming along. As usual, you've got any comments, suggestions, anything like that, I'd love to hear from you. I really appreciate it. So remember to stay safe out there, be good to each other, and we will see you out on the trails the next time. I want to go home.
I want to wander out of the valley where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me, where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries